polysaccharides. Polysaccharides. First polysaccharide is starch. See the molecular formula. This is molecular formula of starch, right? It is a polymer of alpha D glucose units. It is a polymer of alpha D glucose units. Polymer means it is a macromolecule composed of small number of monomers, right? Starch is a polymer of alpha D glucose. Right. It is composed of see, two polymeric chains or two polymers, amylose, and second one is amylopectin. Amylose and amylopectin. This is also one polymer. This is also one polymer, right? So two subpolymers are present in starch, right? Overall, starch also a polymer composed of two subpolymers. Clear? Amylase is one polymer, amylopectin is one polymer. Okay. Take screenshot if you want. Now first keep reading amylose. See, we'll get questions on amylose and amylopectin, right? Amylose. It is a linear polymer or unbranched polymer of alpha D glucose units. First point, linear and unbranched. It is linear or unbranched polymer of alpha D glucose units. Right? Link, you know, in the last exam also links came. Clear? According to our discussion, links came. So here also link between two glucose units. Link means between two glucose units. C1C4 alpha glycosidic link. C1C4 alpha glycosidic link. Right. Next point. It is water soluble. Amylose is water soluble. Okay. Right. Structure. Keep reading structure. Take screenshot, I will give you separately. Right. Shall I clear this? Draw the structure separately. structure very easy. We know glucose structure, glucose pyranose structure, ring structure. Draw 3 rings like this, all of you first, means for the practice. Actually said to don't write but for practice 3 rings. We know pyranose structure, alpha means OH is on the below the plane, right, at first carbon. 1 2 3 4 5, okay, like this. Just draw the rings only, just stop. Hydrogen in the middle, OH, two OH groups are in opposite directions. At 5th carbon always CH2OH is top. Here hydrogen atom, here also same alpha. CH2OH and here hydrogen. Here also same alpha D glucose units. Okay. What is the link? What we written? C1C4 alpha glycosidic link. Clear? Right. If you give the numbering for this second ring, 1 2 3 4 5 6, here also 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now look at this. C1 C4, eliminate water from these two, remove water, H2O will be eliminated. So here we can write like this, oxygen is present here, so I am writing here oxygen in between these two. Look at this, we can draw like this. Okay, OH and H both will eliminated as water, so we can write oxygen here because one oxygen is remaining. This is the structure of amylose. So basically links are very, very important. Next, it gives blue color with iodine. Write one additional information. It gives blue color with iodine. Next, amylopectin. It is composed of two polymers, right? Starch, amylose and amylopectin. So second one heading amylopectin. Take one fresh page. Amylopectin. Amylose is linear unbranched polymer. This is branched polymer. Very, very important. It is branched polymer. Of alpha D glucose units. Branched polymer. It is insoluble in water. Insoluble in water. And links C1C4 alpha glycosidic link. C1C4 alpha glycosidic link. Okay, and C1C6 link at branching can be observed. two types of links. See, so main to understand the link, okay, OH H, here OH 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 H. So between these two, C1 C4 link, right? If you give the number 1 2 3 4 5, sixth carbon there, 1 2 3 4 5, sixth carbon is at CH2. So C1 C4 link, one C1 C4 link, right? Next, it is enough. Rough structure, rough diagram. You tell me here, CH2OH. Give the numbering. 1 2 3 4 5, sixth carbon. Sixth carbon. Here also one link, and remaining structure is same here. Okay. Here OH is present, here OH is present, here OH is present, here CH2OH is present, H. Let us complete the structure. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay. CH2OH. You can take screenshot, no need to copy. Okay. Right. Here hydrogen, right? Okay, we can understand C1 C4 linking. C1 C4 linking is easy on C1 C4 glycosidic link. Look at this, first carbon, okay, first carbon OH and the sixth carbon OH, both will mix and water will be eliminated. See this, C1 C6, and branching will form between two polymeric chains. Amylopectin is a branched, right? So this is the branch, this is the branch. So we can write like this. Remove this. This is branching. This is branching. Which branching? C1 C6. Right? Clear now? Take screenshot. This is about amylopectin. Amylopectin. Clear? Online students. Starch. Starch is present in. Starch is present in. Starch is synthesized by plants. Shall I clear this? Take the screenshot, all of you. Okay. Note down. Sorry, C1 C6. Here, this one. C1 C4. 1 or 4. This is C1 C4. 4. C1 C6. No. Link will form at 1 and 6 only. Fixed. That is the analysis on the spectroscopic studies. Based on the analysis. Just we took one part only. If we take entire starch, you can see the link at C1 and C6 only. How? Based on spectroscopic analysis, that links everything that are fixed. Okay, at C1 and C6 only link will form between two polymeric chains. At other places link do not take place. Particularly they will ask, okay, branching takes place at which carbons? C1 and C6. Very, very important. Particular questions are there on that. Okay, right. Shall we go to next one? Next polysaccharide. Right. Next, cellulose. Cellulose. It is the constituent of plant cell wall. Plant cell wall. Formula, molecular formula is same molecular formula, C6H10O5 taken En times. It is composed of beta D glucose units. Beta D glucose units. It is a linear polymer. It is a linear polymer. No branches. It is a linear polymer, no branching. Sorry. Structure. Cellulose structure like this only. Take beta D glucose units. But because structure is not given in the NCERT, so follow that only. Okay. Basic information is enough. C1, C4 actually maybe, but I'll tell you. Okay. Given, I'll give you in the PDF. Okay, I'll correct and I'll give you. Now adding glycogen. It is also called as animal starch. It is similar to amylopectin. It is similar to amylopectin. It is present in yeast and fungi. It is similar to amylopectin means it is made up of which glucose units? Alpha D glucose units. Link, what about link? Same link, C1 C4 link and C1 C6 link branch. Right, take screenshot. Next, keep reading. Next subtopic, amino acids. Amino acids. See, the organic compounds which contain NH2 group are called amines. The organic compounds which contain COOH group are called as carboxylic acids. If both amino group and COOH groups are present in single compound, that is called as amino acid. Amine functional group is present and COOH functional group is present. Amino acid. Amine is present and carboxylic acid is present. So the compound with both NH2 and COOH both the groups are present is called as amino acid. Amine and acid group, amino acid. Based on the position of NH2 group, we can classify the amino acids as alpha amino acids, beta amino acid, gamma amino acid, delta amino acid, and so on. But we study about alpha amino acids only because most of the naturally occurring amino acids are alpha amino acids only. Clear? So let us just write the classification, but we do not discuss every type. We discuss only alpha, right? Classification based on the position. Classification, first one based on position of NH2 group, amino group. Alpha amino acid. Once look at this, all of you. I'm taking just a skeletal structure, okay. Functional group is COOH, and the carbon which is next to functional group is called alpha carbon, this is beta, this is gamma, delta, and so on, right? See, if NH2 is present at alpha carbon, that is called alpha amino acid, right? If NH2 is present at beta amino acid, gamma amino acid, and so on. But we discuss with alpha. This is gamma amino acid. Our main discussion with the alpha amino acids only. Clear? This is based on the position of NH2 group with respect to COOH. Which of the following is alpha amino acid? Very easy to identify. Check position of NH2. Clear? Take screenshot. Shall I clear this, all of you? See, this is more weightage for the final NEET. 2 questions will come. I will send the PYQs also. After that, after completion of portion, I will send the PYQs also. More weightage, 2 questions will come from it. And the JEE means also questions are coming. NEET, JEE means MCET. Very important. Half of the part you know, I think, in the zoology, protein structures, vitamins, deficiency diseases. Next, see Roman number 2. Roman number 1 is our. Roman number 1 is the based on the position of NH2. Roman number 2 is very important, very important, and question coming area, right? Based on the need. Some amino acids are synthesized in our body, so we no need to take them through diet. That are non-essential. But some amino acids are not synthesized in the human body. We have to take them through diet. They are called essential amino acids. Most important question, first model question, which of the following is essential amino acid? Which of the following is non-essential amino acid? Okay, based on the requirement by the human body. We can classify the amino acids are essential and non-essential amino acid. Right, second one, based on the synthesis in the human body, or based on the requirement, by human body. Amino acid, essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Essential and non-essential. Essential means the amino acids are not synthesized. We have to take them through diet. Clear? These are not synthesized in the human body. These are not synthesized. human body. So we have to take them through diet. So essential, needed for the human body. So we have to take through diet. Through diet. Non-essential. Some amino acids are synthesized in the human body. So we no need to take through the diet. So non-essential, not required by the human body. Just write simple definition, synthesized in the human body. Enough. You can understand remaining sentence, right? Synthesized in the human body. Essential and non-essential. So there are 10 essential amino acids. 10 essential amino acids. Which one? This one. So we have to take through diet. Clear? Essential, non-essential. Right, this is only a little bit tougher because you have to learn the structures. I will give you some important amino acids and their structures, and I will give you the special properties also. Some essential amino acids are chiral, mostly, not some, but having one chiral center, two chiral centers. Some acids are having a OH group, some are having benzene ring, some are acidic, some are basic, like that. So many classifications are there and very, very important, right? Yes, tell. 20. I'll give you important. No need to learn 20. If you able to remember, then learn. Otherwise, no need. Okay. I'll tell you how questions will come. Based on that, we can go. Right. You can learn, no problem, no issue with that, but you cannot retain permanently for a long time. Right. Let us start. First of all, I will give you one code for the essential amino acids, right? After that, I will give the structures. Essential amino acids. This is over, Adima, in your college. Amino acids is over. Did they give the structures in the class? No. Did they draw the structures in the class and explained? No. That's why we'll get some difficulty to learn. Clear? Some procedure is there, so that will help you to remember. Clear? We will discuss, no problem. Because these are dry, actually teacher should learn first. That is the problem. For everyone, common problem. Only teacher or student, everyone should learn. Because this is a very, very dry, highly dry topic. Right, I'll give you one simple code, very, very easy to identify essential amino acids. First time you will feel some different word, but if you read 2 or 3 times, it will be very easy to you. First word is easy, Alena. What is its name? Read this. Villa. Villa means villas, luxury homes. Okay, that one. Villa. MPTTH. It's like a MPTC post, government post, government officer. So remember like that, MPTTH. Read several times, you can remember easily, right? Villa MPTTH. This is the code for which acids? Essential amino acids. Essential amino acids. See the names. V stands for, yes, valine. I stands for, yes, isoleucine. Next, leucine, lysine, arginine. M stands for methionine. P stands for phenylalanine. T stands for threonine, tryptophan. H stands for histidine. Before starting these structures, write one note. Except glycine, all other essential or simple, all other amino acids, not essential amino acids, are optically active. In glycine, chiral center is not present, but in the remaining amino acids, chiral centers are present. Centers are present. That's why remaining are optically active. Only glycine is optically inactive. Which of the following is optically inactive amino acid? Glycine. Remaining are active only. Okay, right. First structure, that one, glycine only. See, all amino acids are in the form of capital L. You know capital L, capital D. Once let us go with this glyceraldehyde. Are given in the classification of monosaccharides. We took glyceraldehyde, we went left, right, something like that. I given a classification. If OH group or NH2 group are present in the right hand side, that is called as capital D form. These are configurations not related to the rotation. Clear? Small d and small l related to the rotations, optical activity, rotations. Clear? Dextro and levo. Dextro means right side, levo means left side. Clear? But D and L are related to the configurations, not related to the optical rotation. Clear? That is important point. So what is capital D compound? If OH or NH2 are present on the right hand side, that is called as capital D. If OH or NH2 are present on the left hand side, that is called as capital L. So all essential amino acids are in the form of L. Means NH2 will come in the left hand side. If NH2 is on the right, that is D, capital D glyceraldehyde, like D glucose. We will add D in front of the name. But in the essential list, all comes under capital L category. So we can observe NH2 on the left hand side. Clear? That's why I will write a left hand side, which group? NH2. Okay. NH2, COOH, right. Now here one carbon is present, right? One carbon is present. Don't wait, see. This is vertical line. So NH2 is present on the left hand side. Clear? CH2, NH2 COOH. NH2 is on the left hand side, imagine like that. You can write like this also. NH2 CH2 CO2H. CO2H. CO2H means COOH only. Okay. Right. Is there any chiral center in this? Is there any chiral center? No. Chiral center is not present, so optically inactive. There is no chiral center. This is a simple amino acid. Right. Glycine. Serine. Serine. Or pronunciation may be different. Serine or serine, both are same only. Threonine. CO2H means COH. Right. Observe these two structures. This is chiral center. Chiral center. This is also chiral center. Here also chiral center is present. Chiral center. Right. Let us write some important points related to these two. You can learn like set. This is one set. Your wish. After knowing how to read, your wish. You can read individually. If you have memory power, learn individually. Otherwise, learn like set. This is one set. See why I kept both as a one set, because common point is there. OH group and OH group is present. Okay. OH and OH. OH containing amino acids. First point, OH containing amino acids. OH containing amino acids. Next, homologs are not. Homologs are not. Tell me. See, up to this part, structure is same. NH2H COOH. NH2H COOH. This part is same, right? This part is same. Now observe this one. CH2OH. Here CH3OH. What is extra? See, CH2. Here CH3 is there, no? CH2 cancelled. OH cancelled. Here one extra hydrogen is there or not? That extra hydrogen is CH. So one extra CH2 is present in this. Once again listen. CH2 in this CH2H we can write like this, na? CH3 can be written as CH2H. So CH2 cancelled. OH cancelled. One hydrogen will be there here. So CH2. Finally, this is having one extra CH2. So both are homologs. Which of the following pair of amino acids are homologs? Clear? If you do more practice, then only you can answer these type of questions. Mention that point also. Homologs. Homologous series. Homologs. Are you getting? Next. Right here only. How many CCs are present? How many chiral centers are present? In threonine, 2 chiral centers. 2 CC. 2 chiral centers. Very easy. I'll tell you one trick also. Clear? For this set, I'll tell you. First of all, observe the points. This is having 1 CC only, 1 chiral center. Chiral centers are different, but both are homologs and both contains OH groups, OH containing amino acids. Right. Now see how to draw the structure of serine and threonine. This is common. This unit is common. Amino acid means that contains carboxylic acid and that contains aniline, NH2. Right. Up to this is common. Now Draw one line, write CH2OH for first one. Alcohol should be present now. Next, in place of hydrogen, put CH3 over CH2OH and CH3. Practice like that. Okay. Once again, see, first we write CH2OH. After that, remove one hydrogen and put CH3. Then you will get 3 on it. Clear? Next, third one, I think. Third one or fourth one? Fourth one. Isoleucine. Isoleucine. Why I am giving isoleucine? After this compound, I will give the reason. Isoleucine. Right. First, CO2H. Tell me. Here NH2, here H. Any doubt in this? Previous also we drawn like this only. CO2HR, you can write COOH also, na? CO2HR, COOH. Right. Okay. Here C, H. What is the valence of carbon? 4. One side CH3, other side CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. What is the importance of this? Here also 2 chiral centers are present. So, to know how many amino acids having 2 chiral centers, before that threonine and this one isoleucine. 2 chiral centers are present. Mention that point. 2 cc's, 2 chiral centers. This is one chiral and this is one chiral. You will get this question also. How many optical isomers are possible for isoleucine or threonine? What is the formula for chiral center? Number of optical isomers. Number of optical isomers. Toughest question, because you have to remember the structure. Then only you can. 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 4, because this is one chiral center, this is also one chiral center. Okay. Right. Take screenshot. Once observe glycine, optically inactive, serine and threonine. What is the importance of these 2 homologs? 2 chiral centers are present in threonine, 1 chiral center is present, and what is another point? Both are having OH groups, OH containing amino acids. Like you have to prepare like that. Okay. Next, histidine. Histidine. We have codes also. After that, I will give the codes. Very, very helpful to you. Histidine. First, you have to draw like this. Histidine. CH2. This side NH2. Here COH. Here H. Okay. What is the importance of this amino acid histidine? Histidine. This is basic amino acid. I'll give you what is basic amino acid. Basic amino acid. See, amino acid means one CH2 and one COOH is present, right? One CH2 and one COOH. But in some amino acids, more number of NH2 groups are present. NH2 means base, we know. We did basic nature of amines. So NH2 means base. If more number of NH2 groups are present or more number of nitrogens are present to donate electron pairs, that are called basic amino acids. Histidine is a basic amino acid. Very, very important point. It contains heterocyclic ring. Heterocyclic. In this ring, different atoms, heteroatom is present or not? This ring is not composed of same carbons, not similar atoms, clear? It is composed of carbon. You know heterocyclic, you don't know? This is heterocyclic. Why? Composed of heteroatom. Nitrogen is heteroatom. Oxygen, sulfur, these are heteroatoms. Heterocyclic ring. In which of the following amino acid heterocyclic ring is present? Contains heterocyclic ring. Contains heterocyclic ring. The terms, you can read from the material also directly, but orientation, how to approach, how to read the question, how to start the questions, compounds. You can by heart, you can learn easily, but orientation, how questions will come, that is important. And we have codes also for the basic amino acids. I'll give the codes, wait for some time. Okay. Completed history. Oh, sorry. Time went very fast today. Bhakti and Meenakshi, do you have physics class? Can you watch the video today like this? For Meenakshi and Bhakti, both you only, na? Up to Array. Sorry. For 15 minutes, I think. Okay. At least I can finish the amino acids. Next, tryptophan. You can go for physics, no problem. Tryptophan. Nitrogen atom, this is. This is also heterocyclic. Heterocyclic. Heterocyclic ring is present. Okay. Take screenshot, all of you. Next, sulfur containing amino acids. Keep heading. Heterocyclic ring is present. Next, sulfur containing amino acids. Sulfur containing amino acids. Cysteine and methionine. Cysteine and methionine. Same story. Clear? CH. See here, all of you. CH2SH. CH2SH. Here CH2SCH3 methionine. You can see CH2 taken 2 times, SCH3 methionine. What is the importance? Sulfur containing amino acids. Sulfur containing amino acids. Okay. Take screenshot, all of you. Right. Once you tell me, anybody, can you able to see NH2 here? Can you able to see NH2? In all amino acids, free NH2 is present or not? Free NH2 means you can able to see NH2. But in one amino acid, free NH2 is not present. In which of the following free NH2 is not present? Free NH2, free NH2. In all the previous cases, we have seen free NH2 group. Clear? Yes or no? Take screenshot. Next, proline. What is the proline structure? Free NH2 group, not free amino acid. Free NH2 group. Here hydrogen will be present. You can mention that part. No free NH2 group. No free NH2 group is present. Okay. Now let us start the codes. Questions will come from these only, no doubt. We covered some important parts, homologs. We covered homologs. And you tell me, first amino acid is glycine. Second amino acid is second amino acid. Glycine, alanine. Look at this, all of you. CH2, NH2, COH. Now what I did, you tell me. You can add this one also. What I did in this structure, what are the changes I made? I removed one hydrogen and I kept a CH3. So these two also, this is glycine, this is alanine. Note down these also. Actually you mentioned glycine, these are also homologs. Right, like this. Actually we have to cover there only, but glycine and alanine are homologs, but one is optically active, another one is optically inactive. Homologs are having same chemical properties, but different physical properties. Now coming to the codes, I given already one code for the essential amino acids, that is Villa MPTTH, that will help you very lot. Okay. Now let us see some other important amino acids, like basic amino acids code and benzene ring containing amino acids. Aromatic benzene ring containing amino acids. Now keep writing code for basic amino acids. Code for basic amino acids. Amino acids are again classified into two types, basic and acidic. First of all, you just write one statement. If more number of NH2 groups are present, or more number of nitrogens are present to donate electrons, clear? Then amino acid is called as basic acid. Then amino acid is basic if more number of NH2 groups are present. This is one code. If you know any code, you can follow. Lie means false or true? False. In this just this is one code only from my side. If you have any easy code, then you can follow. His histidine argument, arginine, lysine. These three are basic amino acids. 100% probability is there to get these type of questions. Okay, which of the following is basic amino acid? How many of the following are basic amino acid? A comma B, only A, C and D, like that in weekend exams. You can create your own codes, right? If you get any easy code. Next, benzene ring containing amino acids. Take screenshot, all of you. Benzene ring containing amino acids. Benzene ring. Tomorrow we can complete the portion, but vitamins you can manage. I think you can go through the table. Deficiency diseases, sources of particular vitamins, you can go through it. And the middle part also you can manage about proteins. Did you get this concept previously? Proteins in any your zoology lesson or botany lesson? Botany. No, fibrous proteins, globular proteins. No. Okay. See, benzene ring containing amino acids. Benzene ring containing amino acids. Can you guess the names? What is the code for benzene ring containing amino acids? Rosie did Finland trip. Finland. Guess? Rosie means tyrosine. Finland means phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. Trip means tryptophan.